PIMDAS. We're going to represent PIMDAS physically. How would you like to represent parentheses? Maybe your arms up? All right, so let's all put our arms up for parentheses. Okay, arms up for parentheses. What's the next step in exponents? Or sorry, in PIMDAS?
Exponents.
Exponents. How are we going to show that tiny number off to the side? What kind of gesture can we do? Maybe just off to the side of your head? All right, so now does it have to be a 2? Could it be other numbers?
No.
You could have any number you feel like. So that's our exponents. Everybody say exponents.
Exponents.
Okay, what's after that?
Multiply.
Okay, how do we want to show our multiplying? Everybody's going to cross your arms? Okay, so cross your arms for multiplying. What are you going to do for dividing?
I can do that.
Maybe a 1 bar, a flat bar there? What do we think? You like that kind of a little sign here like this? Okay, for dividing, I actually in the first class, they did multiplying as X, but they did their whole body as a divide. Like the dot for your head. Does that work for you guys?
That's what we did in David Smith because your mouth was the dot.
Ah, I like that.
Belly button was a dot, and then your arms were the.
All right, let's move on. Now, could you divide and then multiply?
Yes.
Okay, so let's all put our hands out for dividing. Now turn it into multiplying, because it could be reversed. All right, what is our last stair of PIMDAS? Okay, how do you want to represent that last tiny step of add and subtract? Your arm, you want to do add as a crossing arm this way? And then subtract is just one arm?
No, like this.
Okay, that'll work. I like that. Captain Subtract. He's got kind of a Captain Subtract happening. All right, let's go through the whole thing. Show me P. E. Our exponents. Okay, what about dividing? Multiplying. Now let's reverse that. What if you multiply first and then dividing? Good. Our last stair, let's do our subtracting. Or do we sergeant subtract?
I got you.
All right, and then what's the other one? Adding. Let's show our adding. Good. And could you subtract, could you add first?
Yeah.
And then subtract?
Yeah.
How do you decide?
Oh, that's right.
Beautiful. Well done, guys.